In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make Valorant use your GPU instead of your CPU. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are encountering problems with Valorant not properly utilizing your graphics card or graphics processor in your computer, what you have to do is go to your desktop after closing out of the game and right-clicking anywhere on your desktop. In here, select Display Settings. After you load into the System Display Settings, scroll down until you find the Graphics options. As you can see, I'm doing this on Windows 11, however, the process is mostly the same on Windows 10. If you cannot find the graphics settings, just look for Display Settings or Graphics Settings on the Windows Start menu. After you arrive at the graphics setting, you should have a list of all your games in here. As you can see, I don't have Valorant, but I'm just going to demonstrate this with Devil May Cry 5. Just click on valorant.exe after you find it here, and then select Options. In here, you should have your CPUs and GPUs listed. Simply select the one option that contains your GPU, which should be High Performance. After you select High Performance, just save the options to Valorant, and the next time you run, it is going to properly utilize your GPU. I hope I was able to help you on how to make Valorant use your GPU instead of your CPU. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.